Hello dear friends. Today in our review we present you with 3 trendy creative haircuts. Please watch the video selection to the end, and perhaps you will find your favorite, the very haircut that you have long dreamed of and did not dare to do for various reasons. Pixie, this haircut, for everyone who loves style change and creativity. Dominated by an incredible power of transformation. What is a pixie haircut? The layered pixie is a graduated shape with a short nape and subsequent elongation at the front. The main characteristic features of the haircut are the strands elongated in front, the voluminous part at the crown, and the crown of the head. Pixies can be done with any bangs. Usually, ladies leave long or asymmetrical bangs. Pixies can be changed using certain types of styling. This haircut is great for girls and women. It is able to rejuvenate the image, make it fresh and attractive. Pixie looks chic in natural shades, in platinum, as well as in various ways of coloring. A chic haircut allows a woman to become young and beautiful again. Pixie perceives any bangs. This allows you to choose a haircut and bangs for a certain type of face. Women's page haircut is smooth transitions, soft rounded layers, and thick bangs. Page haircut is suitable for girls and women with sophisticated facial features, a beautiful long neck. It is also worth remembering that the page is best suited for straight hair because it will be difficult for girls and women with unruly hair to cope with this haircut. Sometimes the page is difficult to distinguish from the sisson. There are many similarities here. Designers are happy to make corrections in the usual haircuts. The page haircut also did not escape all sorts of additions. This season there is an emphasis on bangs, torn, asymmetric, oblique, straight. Neatness, restrained elegance are the characteristic features of a retro hairstyle. It is not difficult to choose the right color. Consider the color, the condition of the skin, the nature of the work. Coloring or highlighting will help to refresh the haircut. For the classics, choose the traditional range of shades. The originality of the styling will emphasize the bold combination. Page haircut, so elegant and sophisticated, will be a great choice for self-confident ladies. The hairstyle will emphasize the excellent taste and sense of style of its owner. Gavroche, named after a character in Hugo's book, the haircut was at its peak in the 70s. Today it is back in fashion again. The reason for this was her audacity, extravagance, and some mischief that the haircut gives to the image. The advantage of this haircut is its versatility. It will look equally good on both straight and curly hair. It was originally designed for men, but in the 80s it became popular among women. It was worn by young people who were fond of rock and roll, and then more mature women began to wear it. In fact, this haircut has become one of the symbols of that era. The modern shape of the haircut has changed a bit. It combines favorably with profiled bangs. But the main characteristics of the female Gavroche haircut still remain: volume at the crown, oblique temples, and long strands at the back. A hairstyle can be easily given different variations to suit your mood with the help of styling. Haircut Gavroche can also be done in an elongated version. But it looks equally beautiful on the hair of different lengths, so choose the appropriate option based on your preferences and appearance. Gavroche this season is a non-trivial, but very stylish haircut for brave women. Every girl and a lady with such a hairstyle looks luxurious and seductive. Dear friends, when creating selections, we sincerely wish you beauty and happiness. Let all your dreams come true. Thank you for watching the video review to the end. Thank you for you subscribing to our channel, put like, and sharing the video with friends and family. Click on the bell not to miss new videos. Up to new meetings.